I'm one of the prettiest fruits in the country, France. I have my roots in cool places. I like to grow on runners and in bushes low. I'm small, conical and a bright red, with a green leafy crown on my head. My skin's full of tiny edible seeds. My pulp is juicy, tangy and sweet. I'm full of vitamin C. Have me fresh and ripe in plenty. My flavor's loved in jams and jelly. Who am I if I am not a cherry? Called a strawberry, but you're not a berry.
Now that you know the rhyme, let's sing along. Best way to get across these days is through videos. Pass this on to your friends in class.
Okay.
Nafas.
Go down. And then egg. Stop. From here. Bravo. dik x'inhi dik litra? F ta'
Fennek.
brava.
Brava, brava.
New. Litra.
dik x'inhija?
Litra.
Ta' xiex? F ta'
Fej.
ħanara. Dawwara hija. Dawwara. Nicholas. F ta'
Fej.
F ta'
Fjura.
xiktar. Rasek, biżel. Xibda bitra F? Familja xiktar.
Familja. Forma.
Forma.
Form.
Fin.
Fin u fin.
U fin.
Skun.
Fl-iskun, bravo.
X'int tagħmel ħin?
Just turn the page
Tara li-
whenever you hear this sound.
Nella storia ta' Little
Now, let's
Mouse ta' Strawberry.
Brava, rafa.
Hello, good morning. Jien fi stora rajt. L-ewwel il-mouse. Ġib is-sellun. Umbat telajja ta' strawberry mar id-dawr tal-bed. Umbat għataħħa.
Għamlu xer?
Umbat għamlu xera taħħa u kira. Umbat.
The end.
Yeah.
Leanne, can you tell me about the story?
First, the mouse.
Who are the main characters?
The mouse
Mm-hmm.
and the bear.
Okay. So what is the story about?
The mouse came for the strawberry
Why?
because he was hungry.
All right, so he was hungry and he went for a strawberry.
X'se tagħmel illum?
Examine slowly.
Brava.
xħat wadda blu?
Ilma.
Naqra oħra Isa, naqra oħra.
Sek, għalu hi.
All right. Għalqu. Dik bil-water.
Umus
Xħat wadda blu?
zek.
Zejt, oil, hu. All right, close it.
Alright, tejja, close it. Titfalu il-frawla.
Vinegar.
Brava. Close it.
Close.
Count the big strawberries.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The big ones, then. On.
Let's wash them.
Taking home the strawberries now, let's wash them way down yonder in the strawberry patch.
What should we do with the strawberries now?
I have a delicious idea.
Slicing up the straw.
Frau Frick steigt doloroso. Lucienne, there's a seed, then there's this flower, and then it becomes this big, and then it becomes this big.
Is it good?
I know the dance.
I'm one of the prettiest fruits in the country, friends. I have my roots in cool places. I like to grow on runners and in bushes low. I'm small, conical, and a bright red with a green leafy crown on my head. My skin's full of tiny edible seeds. My pulp is juicy, tangy, and sweet. I'm full of
Where, oh, where are all the children? Where, oh, where are all the children? Where, oh, where are all the children? Way down yonder in the strawberry patch.
Look at all these strawberries.
let's pick them. Picking up strawberries, put them in the basket. Picking up strawberries, put them in the basket. Picking up strawberries, put them in the basket. Way down yonder in the strawberry patch.
Bushy red face, shy, 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 I'm so shy. Freckles, freckles on my face. Dot, 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 wow, polka dots. Shy, shy, so shy, but it's okay. Look at me, I'm a cute strawberry, strawberry, very, very lovely strawberry. If you're shy, you can sing along with me.
Strawberries are good for your health. Strawberries are tasty too. Iron, fiber, and potassium.